As we grow older, our eyes face more challenges than ever before. From countless hours in front of screens to the natural effects of aging, our vision can start to fade. But what if I told you that protecting and even restoring your eyesight could be as simple as adding a few herbs to your daily routine? These 9 affordable herbs have been used for centuries to combat vision loss and repair aging eyes naturally. And the best part? Most of them are probably already in your kitchen or just a trip to the store away. Eye health is one of the most important aspects of aging gracefully, and yet it's often the one that gets overlooked. For many older adults, conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, AMD, seem like an inevitable part of getting older, but they don't have to be. All right, let's kick things off with our first herb, Eyebright. Now, this herb might not be as common in your kitchen, but it's been a go-to for centuries when it comes to eye health. Eyebright has this amazing ability to soothe and protect your eyes, which is especially important as we get older. If you've ever dealt with things like eye irritation, redness, or dry eyes, Eyebright could be your new best friend. It's known for calming inflammation and easing that uncomfortable feeling of tired or strained eyes. And for those of us spending hours in front of screens, it's a game changer. What's also great about Eyebright is its history in treating conditions like conjunctivitis, or pink eye. It's got gentle antimicrobial properties, which means it can help fight off mild infections. So if your eyes are feeling irritated or inflamed, Eyebright is a natural solution you can count on. But it doesn't stop there. This herb is also loaded with antioxidants, those little warriors that help fight off free radicals. You know, the things that speed up the aging process and damage your eyes over time. By protecting your eyes from oxidative stress, Eyebright helps keep your vision sharp even as you age. You can use it in a few different ways. There are Eyebright eye drops, herbal teas, or even supplements you can add to your daily routine. It's an easy and natural way to give your eyes the love they deserve. Now, let's talk about Ginkgo Biloba. You've probably heard of it before, maybe as a memory booster, but did you know it's also fantastic for your eyes? Ginkgo biloba has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and its benefits go far beyond brain health. It's all about circulation, and when it comes to your eyes, good blood flow is key. As we get older, one of the biggest threats to our vision is poor circulation. That's where Ginkgo steps in. It helps improve blood flow to the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, making sure they get all the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. This is especially important for people dealing with conditions like glaucoma, where pressure builds up in the eye and can lead to vision loss. There's even research showing that Ginkgo biloba can help with pre-existing visual damage caused by glaucoma. So, if you're already noticing changes in your vision, adding Ginkgo to your routine might just slow things down or even help repair some of that damage. And like Eyebright, Ginkgo is packed with antioxidants. These help protect your eyes from oxidative stress, one of the main causes of age-related conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties mean it's working to keep your eyes healthy from the inside out. You can find Ginkgo in various forms: capsules, teas, or even tinctures. Just make sure to talk to your doctor before adding it, especially if you're on any medications, because it can interact with blood thinners. But overall, Ginkgo biloba is a powerhouse for eye health as you age. All right, let's move on to our next herb, Bilberry. If you haven't heard of this one, think of it as a close cousin to blueberries, but with some extra superpowers for your eyes. Bilberry has been used for centuries, especially during World War II when pilots reportedly used it to improve their night vision. But it's not just a legend. There's science behind this. Bilberry is rich in something called anthocyanins, which are these powerful antioxidants that help protect the delicate tissues in your eyes. One of the biggest things anthocyanins do is fight off oxidative stress. That's the damage caused by things like pollution, aging, and of course, all that screen time. This is key when it comes to preventing conditions like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, which are more common as we get older. But what makes Bilberry really special is its ability to improve night vision. If you've noticed that your vision is a little blurry when driving at night, or that it takes longer for your eyes to adjust in the dark, Bilberry can help with that. It actually helps regenerate a pigment in the retina called rhodopsin, which is essential for seeing in low-light conditions. Bilberry also promotes better blood circulation in your eyes, which means your eyes get more oxygen and nutrients. This is super important for keeping your vision sharp and your eye tissues healthy as you age. You can find Bilberry in supplements or even in some jams and juices. It's an easy addition to your diet that can make a real difference in protecting your vision. Now, let's talk about one of the most prized herbs in the world, saffron. You might know it as that bright, vibrant spice used in cooking, but saffron is more than just a flavor booster. When it comes to eye health, this little herb is packed with some seriously powerful benefits. The secret lies in its carotenoids, especially crocin, which is what gives saffron its color. These carotenoids are antioxidants, and they do wonders for your eyes by protecting them from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major player in age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts, so the more you can protect against it, the better. One of the most exciting things about saffron is its potential to slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, which is a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Studies have shown that regular supplementation with saffron can actually improve visual acuity and light sensitivity in people with early-stage AMD. In other words, saffron doesn't just protect your eyes. It can help enhance your vision, even if it's already starting to decline. Saffron also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help calm down any inflammation in the eyes that might be contributing to vision problems. This is great news for anyone dealing with chronic eye conditions. You can take saffron in supplement form, or you can use it as a spice in your food. It's a little pricey, but you only need a small amount to get its benefits. And with all the good it does for your eyes, it's definitely worth considering as part of your daily routine. Next up, we've got a plant that's often overlooked as just a common weed, dandelion. But don't underestimate this herb, it's actually a powerhouse for your eyes, especially as you get older. Dandelion is rich in vitamins and nutrients that are crucial for maintaining healthy vision, like vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamin A, in particular, is essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. If you've ever noticed your night vision getting worse as you age, that's where dandelion can come in handy. It helps support the health of the retina, which is responsible for how well we see in the dark. Dandelion is also packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids that have a special affinity for the eyes. These compounds help filter out harmful blue light and protect your retina from oxidative damage. This makes dandelion a great herb for preventing cataracts and macular degeneration, two of the most common age-related vision problems. Another great benefit of dandelion is that it supports detoxification. It helps your liver flush out toxins, which in turn can take some of the strain off your eyes. A clean body often means healthier eyes, and that's something we don't always think about when it comes to vision care. You can use dandelion leaves in salads or brew them as a tea, and there are also supplements available if that's more your style. It's an easy and cheap way to get a serious boost for your eye health. Alright, now we're moving on to one of the most famous herbs in both the kitchen and the medicine cabinet, turmeric. You've probably heard about its incredible anti-inflammatory powers, but did you know that turmeric is also great for your eyes? This is all thanks to its active compound, curcumin, which is the magic ingredient that gives turmeric its bright yellow color and its healing properties. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory, and that's really important when it comes to eye health, especially as we get older. Inflammation is at the root of a lot of eye problems, from dry eyes to more serious conditions like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps protect your eyes from damage and keeps them functioning well. But it's not just about inflammation. Turmeric is also loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants fight off free radicals, which are those unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and speed up the aging process in your eyes. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric helps slow down the progression of age-related eye diseases like cataracts and AMD. Turmeric also shows promise in protecting against diabetic retinopathy, a condition that affects many older adults with diabetes. It helps protect the blood vessels in the eyes from damage caused by high blood sugar levels. You can add turmeric to your diet by cooking with it. Just sprinkle it in your soups, stews, or even your morning smoothie. And if you want a stronger dose, you can always take it in supplement form. Either way, turmeric is one of the most affordable and effective herbs to help keep your eyes healthy as you age. Next up is fennel, and this one might surprise you. While you may know fennel for its distinct licorice flavor in cooking, it's also fantastic for your eye health. Fennel is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help protect and repair your eyes, especially as you get older. One of the key ingredients in fennel is vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A helps keep your retina in top shape, and it's especially important for low-light conditions. If you've noticed your night vision getting worse as you age, adding fennel to your routine could help with that. Fennel is also rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and various flavonoids, which help protect your eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main drivers behind age-related conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. So by neutralizing those free radicals, fennel helps slow down the aging process in your eyes. What's really great about fennel is that it's easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat the seeds, drink fennel tea, or even use fennel powder in your cooking. It's a versatile herb that offers a lot of benefits for your eyes without being hard to find or expensive. So, if you're looking for an affordable, natural way to boost your eye health, fennel is definitely one to consider adding to your daily routine. Alright, moving on to another familiar herb, rosemary. You probably know it as a fragrant herb used in cooking, but did you know it's also a powerful protector for your eyes? Rosemary is loaded with antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which are fantastic at fighting oxidative stress, a key cause of aging-related eye issues. Oxidative stress leads to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration by damaging the delicate tissues in your eyes. The antioxidants in rosemary help neutralize the free radicals that cause this damage, essentially slowing down the aging process in your eyes. But that's not all. Rosemary also improves blood circulation, which is crucial for your eyes as you get older. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your eyes, keeping them healthy and functioning well. This also helps remove waste products and toxins from your eyes, which can help prevent further damage. One more bonus. Rosemary is believed to have cognitive benefits as well. And while that might not seem directly related to eye health, keeping your brain sharp helps with processing visual information, which is a key part of maintaining good vision as you age. You can easily add rosemary to your diet, whether it's fresh or dried, in teas or even in oils. It's a simple yet effective herb that can give your eyes the protection they need. And finally, let's talk about chamomile. You might already know chamomile as a soothing tea to help you relax, but it also has some amazing benefits for your eyes, especially as you get older. Chamomile is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce irritation and inflammation in the eyes. If you suffer from eye strain, redness, or even dryness, chamomile can provide relief. It's gentle, which makes it perfect for those sensitive areas around the eyes. In fact, chamomile has been used in traditional medicine to make eye compresses that help soothe eye irritation and fatigue. So, if your eyes are feeling tired after a long day in front of screens, a simple chamomile tea bag compress can work wonders. It doesn't stop there. Chamomile also has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help protect your eyes from infections. Whether it's irritation from environmental stress or something more, chamomile can be a natural, gentle solution. You can drink chamomile tea or use it as a compress on your eyes. And either way, it's a simple and affordable way to give your eyes the soothing care they need. So there you have it. 9 affordable, powerful herbs that can help protect your eyes and even repair your vision as you get older. From Eyebright, which soothes irritation and improves overall eye health, to chamomile, which calms and protects your eyes from strain and inflammation, these herbs offer natural solutions for common vision problems that come with aging. Whether it's improving blood flow with Ginkgo Biloba, boosting night vision with Bilberry, or fighting oxidative stress with saffron and turmeric, these herbs are your eye's best friends. And the best part? Most of them are easy to find and affordable, so you can start using them today. But remember, while these herbs are powerful, they work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Regular eye checkups, a balanced diet, and the limiting screen time are all key. And as always, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding any new herbs or supplements to your routine, especially if you're on medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with more natural health tips. Your eyes will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.